Hey everyone, I'm coming on to show you how to make these Valentine's decor that I just showed you, and these are the items for our first decor. So we're gonna have this vase here, which I taped off, and I'll be using some pink paint, and I will be adding some baking soda to the pink paint to make it just have a little bit more texture. Now I don't measure the baking powder, like I always tell you guys. I just add it, mix it, and when I see the thickness that I want, then I stop. So how is everyone doing? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a pleasant day today. But we are in January, and our next little holiday that we have is Valentine's. So I'm doing some decor to give you some ideas of things that you can make to put throughout your home, or you could use as a gift for that special someone in your life. So now I'm just gonna add the paint going right around our vase. And now that I'm finished adding the paint, I'm just gonna remove the painter's tape before everything is dried. And I'll set it aside to dry for a few hours. Okay, now it's all dry, as you can see here. So now I'll be using some of this glam chain that I got from BB Craft, and I'll be using some E6000 glue to glue it going around our little vase. And now that that's all done, our vases look so cute so far. I'll be adding some of these little square mirrored pieces on our vase, and they do come with a self-adhesive on the back. So I'm just going to take them off and add them to our vase. And they do have a protective plastic on the front also. Okay, so now I'm just going to remove the protective plastic on the front of the mirrors. And then I'm going to show you the finished look. And here is our finished look. I think it turned out very nice. A lovely vase that you could add flowers to, or you could have it to put in little trinkets that you want inside. You could use it for that too. Or you could use it as a candle holder. I think it looks lovely with the candle inside. A nice piece of decor for your home for the Valentine's season, or even as a gift, like I said, to someone special on your list this year. Okay, now for our next DIY, these are the items that we will be using. Okay, so we have this heart that we got from the Dollar Tree, and I love that it has little beads on top. Isn't that super cute? Okay, so I'm going to use some white acrylic paint and paint our heart all white. And I'll also be painting the beads white also. And when I'm all done, I'll be setting it aside to dry for a few hours. Now our heart is all dry, And so are the little beads on top. I think it looks super nice, just the way it is. But I'm going to add some of this pink bling sheet here that I got from BB Craft. And they come with a self-adhesive on the back. So we're just going to take it off because I cut it into the strips that I want and add it to our heart. And now I'm going to add some of our square mirrored pieces, and all the items that I'm using for today's DIYs will be listed down below in the description box below. And they do come with a self-adhesive on the back, like I told you, so I'm just going to take them off and add them to our heart. Choosing material things over you. Come here, young girl, please, please. I'm a new, baby, don't worry, nobody's tempting me unless it's you now. I'll pick you up, I gotta see who knows, baby, I know that me, you should be the cat. And now on to the next step. For our heart decor, I'm going to be using some of this crushed glass, and to lay it down, I'll be using some Mod Podge. So let's start with adding the Mod Podge everywhere, and then we'll add our crushed glass. When I had you, I was like, okay, I need you beside me. Girl, I need you beside me. Girl, I need you beside me. You beside me, you beside me, beside me, you beside me. When I had you, I was okay. Even though when we go out, girl, I would wait for you like all day. And now that that's all done, I will be setting it aside to dry for a few hours. And now it's dry, so I'll be going over the top again with some more Mod Podge to help seal in the crushed glass so we don't have any falling out off of our decor. And now I'm adding some glitter to our crushed glass. This part is optional. You don't have to do it, but I love to add glitter. Okay, so now everything is dry, and I am going to remove the plastic protective from our mirrored pieces. And then I will show you the finished look. Like I said, here is the finished look. I like how it turned out. I think it looks very nice. And of course it has the beads on top, so you could hang it on the wall. I think it looks very nice. Another lovely piece of Valentine's decor. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think so far of our DIYs. And for our next DIY, here are the items that we'll be using. So I have this love sign that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'll be using some of this red paint to paint our love sign all red. So I'm just going to paint all over red, and when I'm done, I will be setting it aside to dry for a few hours. So here is our love sign, and I also painted the rope that we have on top. I painted it red also. I didn't want to take it off, so I just painted it red. So now I'm coming in with some red mirror tiles that I got from BB Craft, and we'll be adding it to our love sign. And now I'll be adding some crushed glass using some Mod Podge to our love sign, to the heart and the letter E. And now that it's all dry, I'm going to go over again and seal it in with some more Mod Podge. And of course, you know I like to add my glitter. Here is the finished look for our love sign. I like how it turned out. I think it looks very nice. Once again, another lovely piece of decor or a gift for someone special on your Valentine's list this year. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today. And I hope I have inspired you with 3 lovely decor ideas for your Valentine's this year for 2024. And I'd like to say once again, thank you so much for taking the time to come on and see my DIY that I have to share with you. I remember I upload every Wednesday and Sunday. I upload videos to share with you. Alright everyone, remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.